What's going on, guys? Barber CVO in the building. We have just made it here to North Carolina. We just got here. We left at 4 in the morning. We got here and it's about 6:45 p.m. It was a long trip. My hair's a mess. And we came here for one purpose and one purpose only, was for the purchase of my boy Dante's new bike in North Carolina. So we came out here to check it out. And this thing is a beauty. This guy paid cat. Oh yeah, look at that. Clean, 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 clean. Look at that. 2016 Street Glide, right?
Yep.
All custom. Look at that. Custom tank. System, everything. Look at that. Sweet, man. Got air ride. Look at that.
Before I took it for a ride, I had to get sign a paper.
Look at that.
Waivers. Yeah. So there wasn't like,
What's in the tour pack? Does it have anything in the tour pack?
I'm not grabbing this. The key. Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, look at that. Oh damn. I actually need one of those. Tourpack.com.
Put my dog in there.
Look at this, guys. What a beauty.
Now notice at night it's darker red, and then during the day it's candy apple red. It has like that perfect.
All right, we're gonna hear from the man himself.
It's clean, better than the pictures ever thought it would be.
Yeah.
Thanks for you guys for being here for me and taking that long trip.
It was a long one.
I really appreciate it.
I hope you're ready for tomorrow.
Yeah, well, it's a long trip back. I appreciate the boys coming out here and supporting me.
Yeah, we did exactly 720 miles.
That's a lot, man.
We did.
I'm sure he's looking for some food now.
Yeah.
I gotta treat him for dinner. But yeah, I'm very happy with the bike, man.
Yeah.
Very happy with the bike.
That's awesome, man.
Big purchase here, but
let me see how you look. Sit down, sit down. Let me see how you look in it.
Here we go.
Oh yeah, baby. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Ready, man.
Yo, and the helmet match exactly the same color. That's crazy.
Yeah, that was a good buy.
Wow, crazy. Look at you. How you look? Yeah, I found that at Harley. As close as we could find it. Because this is not like a bright red, you know what I mean? Are you ready for tomorrow's ride back to Jersey?
Not my back.
Damn, you might have to sit all the way back.
I'm trying to figure out this back support here because I got to reach these shifters.
You know what my boy did? He actually had a book back there, and then he had a pillow. He put a pillow like right here, and it worked.
All right, here we go. Here we go.
Oh, start her up, start her up, start her up. Make sure it's neutral. Dante, go talk to the thing, guy. Tell us that we go parking here overnight. You know what I'm saying?
We'll be out of here by 7 a.m.
Yeah, we're leaving here 7 in the morning. So we got the bikes here. Dante's happy with his new bike. You happy?
Yeah.
You might sleep out here tonight.
Strobing it out.
Strobing it out.